Hi guys!
Hello!
Good morning, so this is PINOY Flip. My name is Jennifer.
I'm Chris.
Okay, so today, everyone, we're gonna upcycle our old wreath. Yeah, so...
Ako may pinakaguba.
Ako, murag na apa, gamay.
Buhi pa na ito mga ni ako, patay na.
Oo, patay na niya, buhay pa niya ako.
Yeah.
So, ang atong buhaton, ani, is i-upcycle lang natin siya.
Yeah, i-beautify na to siya.
Mhm.
So, instead na inyong mani ilabay, reuse it.
Yeah.
Because anyway, it's still nice. But, we'll just make it na mabuhi siya balik. So,
Yes.
that's what we're
Na
gonna do.
hindi ka nabibili. Kasi, usually, kapag pupunta ka sa mga tindahan, they were expensive. They're like
It is
45 or
expensive.
$60.
Yeah, for just this one.
Yeah, for just this one. And, you know, if you had an old one, why don't you just reuse it?
And then if you have the resources,
Uh-huh.
then use whatever you have.
Exactly.
And then create like, be artistic.
There you go. So,
If not, if you see us doing it, so at least makakuha mong idea how you're gonna do.
ngayon, ang gagawin lang natin is, kasi usually dito sa Amerika, every season nag-change sila ng wreath.
Yes.
Depende. So, ang gagawin natin,
Or you can, I mean, with the wreath itself, you can use it like Christmas.
Christmas, exactly.
Halloween.
Halloween.
So, you can use whatever, it's not just for Christmas alone.
Yeah.
So,
It's all year long.
yes.
Okay. So, ito po yung meron kami, yung mga extra namin ng mga greenery. I-reuse lang natin. Ang gagawin ko para sa akin is tanggalin to siya lahat, tapos babaguhin ko lang. Same din.
Reuse and add up something
Yeah.
else. For June, it's gonna be for fall. And if gusto ninyo na all year siya and you don't want to change it all the time, then that's what I'm gonna do. So,
Okay, so we're so excited. Ate.
Yay! You ready to see our finished product?
So we're so excited ipakita sa inyo yung finished product namin. So kung maalala nyo, ito po yung sa akin. Dito ka sa tanong.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So kung maalala nyo, ito po yung before ng wreath ko at saka ito naman yung kay ate.
And this is mine before.
So now, this is the finish. So this is mine.
And this
that's
is
ate.
mine. See? We added the owl.
Yeah, she added the owl and I added the duwende. Gnomes pa yan. Ang English sa duwende, gnome ba?
Gnomes, yeah.
Okay, so,
Gnomes or duwende in Bisaya.
yeah. Duwende sa Bisaya.
Owl. What's in Bisaya?
Yung owl
Basta
niya.
owl na lang.
Yung owl niya, yung parang kakagising lang lagi. Gulat.
Hello.
That's really cute. Okay. So, ihahang na po namin siya sa door namin.
Hi guys. Remember ninyo kanina that we were making the wreath? And now, I'm showing you the finished product at my door.
So this is our first video together.
Yes.
Usually, kung makikita nyo, ako lang lagi doon sa mga previous video ko. Pero ngayon, andito na si ate. So makikita nyo na kami lagi. Okay?
Hopefully we get to have more
More
videos
videos,
for you guys
yes.
to see.
Tapos, we're going to try to upload video once a week. So we have to talk about it pretty soon kung kailan namin i-upload yung mga susunod namin project.
Yeah, and also with our videos that we posted, especially this one, if you have comments, if you have any questions, let us know, then we will answer your questions. And so it's gonna be on each videos that we do.
So kung may mga kamag-anak kayo na andito sa Amerika o di kayo kahit saan, i-share nyo itong video to para mabibigyan din sila ng ideas.
And
kasi
tips
na mabibigay namin or masishare namin sa kanila.
Yeah, it will be helpful for
Yeah, it
them
will
as
be
well.
helpful because usually dito sa Amerika kapag holiday season, they're gonna change
Yes.
everything just for the specific season or holiday.
Yeah.
So mabibigyan namin sila ng tip. Right?
Yeah, so also, if you have like older stuff there, like anything, it might not be just the wreath, but of course, yung ginawa namin ngayon is about sa wreath.
Yeah, sorry.
So anything na they're tired of looking at it, ato mo sa dollar store or anything.
Yeah, exactly.
They have a lot of flowers there that you can use, especially sa unsay gusto nimo na theme.
Yeah.
Right?
Exactly.
So it's up to your liking.
Yep.
So
thank you guys and God bless po sa inyong lahat.
God bless and stay safe,
Yep.
everyone.
Stay safe.
Bye.
Bye!